Friends, see the next case study on the Forex. That is the mainly a case study on the purchase of the export bill. So friends, see, due date of an export bill of a US dollar 10,000 is in December. The bill is presented to the bank collection on October 15. That is, bill is presented to the bank on October 15. Okay, and next they have given spot rate. Next they have given spot rate is equal to 1 US dollar for the 60.20 and 60.23. Okay, and now they are giving forward premium for November. It is 25/27 paisa, and for December it is 30/32 paisa. Okay, and they have also given the exchange margin is 0.1%, and exporter wants to book the forward contract. What rate you will be quote, or what rate you would quote? So this is the question for us. We have to find the rate. So friends, see, due date is in the December, right? Due date is in the December, and there is a realization of the export bill of US dollar 10,000. That means we have exported some goods, right? Export bills, that means we have exported some good. That is, our customer, one of our bank's customer has exported some goods to the USA, and then in that return we are getting the 10,000 US dollar. We are getting the 10,000 US dollar. That means we are getting the dollar. That means inflow, that is the inflow of the foreign currency, and when there is inflow of the foreign currency, it is the buying case. Okay, see friends, it is the buying case as there is an inflow of the foreign currency. So definitely we will buy at low. Our target is buy low and sell high. Okay, now we come to know that we have to buy. So definitely we will buy. So which rate we will choose among this? We will choose 60.20. That is the lowest among this, definitely. So we will choose the spot rate. That is the spot buying rate will be our 60.20. Okay, now friends, see here, they have given premium for November. That is see friends, for November points are 25, 27, that are in increasing order, so we can say it is at the premium. And for December also 31, 32, so it is increasing order, so we know that it is at the premium. Increasing order, that means premium, and decreasing order is discount, that we will see in different example. But here the case of increasing points, that's why it is at the premium. And a premium is always added. Remember, premium is always added. Okay, and that's why we have to add the premium. Next step is adjustment of the premium. But which premium we should take, for November or the December? That is our main task, how to identify. So friends, see, they have given the due date is in December, right? The due date is in December. That means we don't know what is the exact date in the December. It may be 1st of December, 15th of December, or 30th of the December, right? We don't know exact date in the December. And remember friends, as we are buying, our target is buy low. Definitely in that case, what we will do, we will add the premium up to the previous month, because we don't know the exact date. And second reason is very simple, our target is to buy low, right? So we'll definitely add up to the previous month. Our target is buying low. Definitely if we add the premium of December, our bank will suffer the loss, right? That's why our target is the case is of buying, and our target is buy low, so we have to add the premium up to the previous month only. Okay, now what is the previous month? The due date is in December, so previous month will be November. So up to the November we have to add the premium. And November they have given two, that is 25 and 27. So which to choose? As the case is buying, we have to choose the lowest value. In case of a buying, we have to buy low, right? So that's why November premium we have taken as a 0.25 points. When you add that points, you will get a total rate as the 60.45. Okay, now we have taken the rate, we have adjusted the premium. Next task is we have to adjust the margin, that is 0.1%. so margin, what will be the margin here? Margin will become 0.1%, that is 0.1 divided by 100 into 60.45. so just divide it by 3, shift it by 3 decimal point, you will get 0.06045. okay, we can say 0.06 we can take, so there will be our margin. So as this is the buying case, and in a buying case we have to buy low, so we are here again subtracting the margin. In a buying case we always subtract the margin, and in a selling case we always add the margin. So in case of buying we have to subtract the margin. So when you subtract the margin from 60.45 minus 0.06, you will get 60.39 as your final answer. That means 60.39 is the rate that you are going to quote to the customer against the export bill of 10,000 US dollar. If they ask what will be the money that you are going to use for that, so that time you have to just do 60.39 into 10,000 US dollar. So that amount of money you are going to use. So they have not asked the money, they have just asked the quote the rate, so that rate you have to quote. Okay, now next numerical, see next case study, next numerical you can say. See friends, here what they have given, the due date of export bill of US dollar 50,000 is in the March. Due date of US dollar 50,000 is in March, which is presented to the bank for collection on January 15, right? Due date is in March, but it is presented to the bank on January 15. USD spot rate they have given. Okay, margin for the February they have given, we can say points, it is 20, 25, and for March 30, 35. Forward margin here we can say, or we can say forward premium also. They have given margin to be charged is by the bank, that is fees for the bank is 0.15%. okay, now exporter want to book the forward contract. What rate you will quote? What rate would you quote? Very first, and second, how much amount shall be credited to the exporter's account on maturity? So they have asked two questions. So friends, here export bill of US dollar 50,000 US dollar. That means we have exported some goods to the USA and we are getting dollar. That means we are receiving the foreign currency, that is the inflow of the foreign currency. When there is inflow of the foreign currency, we can say it is the buying case. Okay, so in case of buying, our target is buy low. So which rate you will choose? The lowest, that is 66.20 we will choose as the spot rate. So our rate will be 66.20. now we have to adjust the next step, we have to adjust the premium, that is the 20, 25, 30, 35 increasing order, so it is the premium. Increasing order, it is the premium, and premium is always added, and if it is decreasing order, it is discount should be subtracted, but here case of premium, so we will add. Okay, so what a premium we have to take, up to which month? See, the due date is in March, but we don't know the exact date in the March. Remember, due date is very important, right? From due date you can adjust the premium. Due date is in March, but we don't know exact date in the March, right? And as the case is of buying, our target is buy low, so we will not add up to the March, we will add up to the previous month. So we will take only the premium up to the previous month, right? As it is the buying case and we don't want that our bank should get lost, that's why we will add the margin, that is premium up to the that is forward margin, that is the premium up to the previous month. But as it is the buying case, I will repeat here, as it is a buying case, we have to add the lowest premium. So among this, lowest is 20, so we will add February premium as is 20 points. Okay, so when you add this, you will get total amount as the 66.40 as the rate, that is the rate. Okay, now next they have given, we have to adjust the margin of 0.1%, 0.15%. so what is the 0.15% value of that? That is 66.40 into 0.15 divided by 100. So just solve using the simple calculator, you will get a margin, that is 0.1. 0.1 you will get the margin. Okay, and once you get the 0.1 as the margin, so it is the buying case. I repeat here again, as it is the buying case, always subtract the margin in case of buying. So when you less the margin from the rate, you will get a rate to code, that is the 66.30 as your final answer. Okay.